Healing Teas for Everyday Ailment. Welcome back to Best Life Channel, where we share the best health and treatment tips. Today, we're exploring the world of healing teas that can help alleviate everyday ailments. Teas have been used for centuries as natural remedies, offering a soothing way to support your health. Let's dive into some of the most effective healing teas and what they can do for you. Number 1, ginger tea for nausea. First up is ginger tea. This tea is well known for its ability to combat nausea and digestive issues. Ginger contains compounds that can help soothe the stomach and reduce feelings of queasiness. To make ginger tea, simply slice fresh ginger root, boil it in water for about 10 minutes, and enjoy. Add honey for sweetness and lemon for a refreshing twist. Number 2, chamomile tea for relaxation. Next is chamomile tea, a favorite for promoting relaxation and sleep. Chamomile has natural sedative properties that can help reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality. Brew a cup of chamomile tea in the evening to unwind after a long day. Its gentle flavor and aroma make it a perfect bedtime companion. Number 3, peppermint tea for headaches. Peppermint tea is another great choice, especially for headache relief. The menthol in peppermint can help relax muscles and ease tension headaches. Brew fresh peppermint leaves or use tea bags, and enjoy a warm cup when you feel a headache coming on. You can also inhale the steam from the tea for added relief. Number 4, green tea for immune support. Don't forget about green tea. Packed with antioxidants, green tea is great for boosting the immune system. It contains catechins, which have been shown to help fight off infections. Enjoy a cup of green tea daily to support your overall health. You can drink it plain or add a splash of lemon for extra vitamin C. Number 5, lemon balm tea for stress relief. Lemon balm tea is perfect for reducing stress and promoting a sense of calm. This herbal tea has been traditionally used to ease anxiety and improve mood. Steep fresh or dried lemon balm leaves in hot water for about 10 minutes. Sip on this soothing tea whenever you need a moment of tranquility. Number 6, turmeric tea for inflammation. Next, we have turmeric tea, a powerful anti-inflammatory beverage. Turmeric contains curcumin, known for its ability to reduce inflammation and support joint health. To make turmeric tea, mix turmeric powder with hot water, add a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption, and sweeten with honey. This vibrant tea can be a great addition to your wellness routine. Number 7, echinacea tea for cold relief. Lastly, consider echinacea tea for cold relief. Echinacea is known for its immune-boosting properties and can help reduce the duration of colds and flu. Brew echinacea tea when you start feeling under the weather to support your immune system and speed up recovery. Incorporating these healing teas into your daily routine can provide natural relief for various everyday ailments. Whether it's ginger tea for nausea, chamomile for relaxation, or turmeric for inflammation, there's a tea for every need. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. What's your favorite healing tea? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.